Hello, this is Joan of Art and we are here at Jeffrey Montaño's exhibition. Let's find out the many kinds of wood that he uses in his sculptures. His exhibition runs from today, October 17, up to the 23rd. So please come and visit. So we are here at the exhibition of Jeffrey Montaño, together also with artist Harvey Salhay with his abstract paintings. In this video, we are featuring the wooden sculptures of Jeffrey Montaño. Welcome to Jeffrey Montaño exhibition. Nung Jeffrey, ma-interview ko sa imo about your sculptures. Ari diri kita subong sa El Fisher Hotel. Ano sculptor? Sa Ilonggo.
Sculptor.
Sculptor. Ang sculpting?
Sculpting, no? Lilok sa Tagalog.
What is the title?
Entwining.
Entwining. This is made of what wood?
Wood. That's made of santol wood.
Santol.
I call it sculpted by nature. This is natural.
Okay.
I just clean it and enhanced by man. Made of santol.
Made of santol. Is santol hardwood or softwood?
Medium piece.
Ah, tambis?
50-year-old.
150-year-old. Where did you get that?
This was planted by the grandfather of a friend of mine who is already old. When they made a house, they have to
Cut the tree.
cut the tree, so I asked for a part of it. Kamachili.
Kamachili. Kamunsil.
Kamachili.
And ang iniya, ano ni nga mga...
Fruit tree, that one is langka. Jackfruit tree.
Jackfruit tree.
This one is santol.
Okay. Which fruit tree is the best for you? Santol. Because?
Santol is the kind of wood that is used by sculptors to make sails. I made of sails. It is
mga
not
santos.
easily eaten by termite. Wala siya kinabukbok, wala siya kinaanay. Ano yung mga mula?
Mulave. Ironwood. Talisay tree. Ay, wow. Okay. So, this is Talisay tree and
This one is acacia.
acacia tree. Acacia wood. Mahogany.
Acacia.
Acacia.
Mahogany.
Mahogany. Redwood.
Lawaan.
Lawaan.
Kamachili again.
Kamachili.
And this is santol.
Santol.
You know the star apple? Thank you.
Ah, okay. Yes, wow, cool. The root of the kaimito tree. And,
This is kamachili.
ginaanay ang kamachili?
Di paanayan ko na umod.
Ah, okay.
Di paanayan ko umod ng bilikas. Amo nang ko. Ironwood.
Ano siya? Ironwood? Magkuno.
Talisay. Ako rin yan. Talisay ito.
Talisay. So, ano ini nga mga kahoy nung Jeff?
Magkuno. Ironwood is from under the sea. Mga 100 years under the sea.
100 years.
Oh.
And the next?
That one is just lawaan nga ginbukbok. Instrumental pieces ko na siya mga guba nga kahoy ginaano.
Okay.
That one is kamunsil again.
Kamunsil. So you have a lot of kamunsil trees, ha? Kamunsil wood.
One is Madrid de cacao.
Ah, okay. Mga hardwood man ini sila. Hardwood.
Madrid de cacao hardwood na.
Ah, okay. I'm planting a lot of Madrid de cacao.
Mga dagkok.
Oo, patigulang.
Ay, mahogany nga old.
Mahogany.
Ini Mulave.
Mulave. What's your favorite naman among the hardwoods?
Mulave, magkuno.
Is Mulave and Magkuno the same?
No, different.
Oh, ano niya nga tree? Ano niya nga wood? What kind of wood?
Lawaan.
This is lawaan.
Old
and
lawaan. That one
old
is
lawaan.
magkuno.
Magkuno.
That one is talisay.
Talisay.
Talisay din siya na.
Ah, Talisay tree naman. Jeffrey Montaño explaining to us the different woods which he used in his sculptures. This is Joan of Art saying, love you all and see you next time. Bye-bye.